Welcome to my new listing at 38340 Carrillo Road in the Ortega Mountain area. Now, for you equestrian lovers, you are not going to want to miss this opportunity. There are two separate residences on this lot. Now, I am currently in the main house, and as you can see, it is highly upgraded. There's an abundance of natural light. There are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an office at this main level, and the primary bedroom is located on the main floor. The second residence is about 1,400 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with vaulted ceilings. But my absolute favorite thing about this property is the location. You are perched up high on a hill with panoramic views of the rolling hills and the San Pedro Harbor. It is breathtaking. You are in a 3-acre lot with 3 separate horse pastures, a 3-horse barn with a round pen, and they actually even have horse wash racks, if you can believe it. The tranquility and the beauty of this property is unparalleled to anything I have ever seen. You're gonna love this home. Let's go take the tour. There's not too many equestrian properties where you can just come out to your back porch, enjoy the beautiful sunsets and views, and watch your beautiful horses enjoy the green pastures. If you didn't already know, I am an equestrian lover, and this property really speaks to me. If you would like to take a tour of this beautiful equestrian property, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.